for all red-blooded gearheads who love their RPMs high and their barbecue smoking. Welcome to Barbecue and Bolts, where we dig into cars of all kinds, from beaters to burners, and then trade the grease in our nails for barbecue sauce, beer, and good friends. Hang on, cause you're riding shotgun with Barbecue and Bolts.
Those damn hicks! What are they doing? Fuel filters. It's a cheap part, needs to be done. You can be under there for hours if you don't have the right type of finesse and the right tool. So I'm going to show you today how to do it very quickly based on my pain and suffering. First, we need to find the fuel pump relay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. That should be it. So we're going to take this out. Wiggle, wiggle. There we go. I'm really careful about things because I usually break everything, even if it's metal. Okay, so now we're gonna start the car, or try to. Alright, that looks like all of the gas is out of the line, and I think we're ready to go now. So now we won't get squirted in the face. Fuel filters. They're a pain in the butt. I've been working over an hour just trying to get one of mine off. Just one side. So I went to the store and got these. These are the ones that I used on my other Excursion, and they worked really good. The one where it's just a metal clamp, you squeeze, stick on there, I'm having a lot of trouble with that. Okay, so I'm under the driver's side. There's the front tire, and it's right behind this shackle here. The release ring is. There's our golden ticket. And man, I wasn't going to lift my truck, but I'm thinking about lifting my truck now because it's much easier to get under here. It's a little tight on stock height. So here are the clips that we're going to have to undo. I have my little plastic piece in there to release. So today I was going to maybe try this. Use this as a push in, and then to pull out, because that's pushed in like that. And it came out just like that. So using pliers is the right thing to do. And so now we got to push this up and make sure we don't get gasoline on ourselves. That's up there. That's pretty good. Take our little doohickey off. So pliers. Wow, that worked much better than last night. Okay, I got a little bit of gas dripping out here. The only way for me to get my arms here is to be underneath it. There you go. Alright, look how easy that was. That wasn't very easy. Get the pliers and just put it right there, and then just scoot the pliers that way while pulling on the tube. Now if you do that with this fitting, it will come off easy. I drained this and oh man, it was really bad. Yeah, I think I drained it all though. The gas on this end, when it was coming in, you could tell the gas was just so dirty. So it's really important to change your fuel filters, because right now it's not clipped in. Okay, so now it clicked. So we're done. We put our relay back in because the car's not going to start without the relay. Pull it out of the garage so we're not fumigating everybody. Everybody being me. And check for leaks. See, no gas dripping. So that is a good thing. And don't forget to put your cover back on this. Boom. Good enough. It's good enough.